In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions in Canva. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you like. Once it's open, type in the search bar Canva and hit enter. This will take you to the search results page. You will see various links. It's important to ensure you are selecting the official Canva website. This will help you avoid any fake or misleading sites. Once you find the correct link, you will know you are on the right track. Next, click on the correct link to enter the Canva website. If you already have an account, you can proceed to log in by entering your credentials. This usually involves typing in your email and password. If you haven't created an account yet, you can easily sign up for free. Logging in is essential as it gives you access to all the features and templates that Canva offers. Once you log in successfully, you will be directed to your dashboard. Now that you are on your dashboard, it's time to choose an existing project or create a new one. If you have a specific project in mind, locate it in your list of existing designs. Alternatively, if you want to start fresh, click on the Create a Design button, often found at the top right of the screen. This step is crucial because having the right project set up will streamline your workflow. Once you make your selection, you will be taken to the design interface. After that, you will need to upload your video. Look for the Upload button, usually indicated by an upward arrow or the word Upload. Click on it and select the video file from your computer. Once uploaded, drag the video onto your project canvas. This action places the video in the working area, allowing you to edit it. This step matters because it is the foundation for adding captions to your video. You should see your video appear on the canvas, ready for further editing. With the video now on your canvas, look at the left menu sidebar. You will find various options available. Click on the text option. This section allows you to add different types of text elements to your video. It's important to explore this option as it gives you various text styles and functionalities. Once you click on text, you will see a list of text-related options appear. Next, you will select Captions, which is located under the Dynamic Text heading. By doing this, you are specifically choosing the feature designed for captioning videos. This is critical because captions enhance accessibility and improve viewer engagement. After clicking on Captions, you will find a variety of styles available for you to choose from. Now, choose a style pack from the available preview options. You can scroll through the different styles to find one that fits your video's theme. Selecting the right style is essential because it contributes to your video's overall aesthetic. Once you find a style you like, click on it to apply it to your project. You will see the style change on your canvas, making it look more polished and professional. Finally, click on the Generate Captions button. This action prompts Canva to transcribe the video and place an editable caption track directly over your timeline. This is a significant time saver as it automates the captioning process. Once generated, you will see your captions appear, ready for any adjustments. You can edit them as needed. This ensures your captions are accurate and aligned with your audio. And there you have it. You can now add captions to your videos in Canva easily. This enhances your video's accessibility and ensures your audience can follow along.